Hey guys, it's your girl, Lady Lydia, and I have a delicious dish here for you. If you have one of those cravings, you need something sweet and quick, honey, try these mini Danishes. They are so easy and quick to make. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the recipe. Now, you're going to get you a pan. You're going to make sure that the pan is pre-greased. I use some cooking spray or baking spray, but then after that you are going to use, yes, King's Hawaiian rolls. Now to me, it doesn't really matter which particular ones you use, as it pertains to, non-flavored, of course, but I use the butter and I use the regular, so you can use both. Either one of those will be great. So I added one package plus another roll just to fit the pan that I was using, but it's totally up to you how you want to use it. So what I did is I broke up each roll individually, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and get into this recipe. I'm not going to talk your heads off. Go ahead and watch the video, and I'll be back with you momentarily. This particular part, just cut about 3/4 deep, not all the way, just enough to hold the filling. So let's get back into the video. Alright guys, for this next step, we're just combining melted butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. We're going to stir it together, and we're just going to kind of base each roll individually into the hole and around it, just making sure we cover all our stuff to give it a little bit of flavor. Alright, let's get back into the video. Alright guys, this next step, we're just going to combine some cream cheese, sugar, and an egg. That's it. All you're going to do is stir it all together, fill the rolls, and there you have it. So easy, I'm telling you. Anybody can make this. So let's continue. into the oven and out it came. Baby, these Danishes are so delicious. The best part about them, they're not huge. They're small. They're more proportion in size. So you can eat one, put the others away. And listen, the sky is the limit with this recipe. You can even exchange the cream cheese for some fruit. You can use one of the easy cans of pie filling or make your own. But nevertheless, it is your recipe. Do with what you want. I'm about to go ahead and dig into this Danish. Thank you guys so much for taking out the time. I hope you enjoy this recipe and take care.